This is Long Island Sound, and it's in trouble. But there is a plan to save it.
Come off of that wall.
A team of experts has figured out a way to bring it back to life, one clam at a time. In the early 1900s, life under the surface of Long Island Sound was bustling with a vibrant ecosystem thanks to eelgrass, an underwater plant that cleans the water, prevents erosion, and provides a habitat to all sorts of sea life. But since the 1980s, Long Island Sound has lost over 90% of its eelgrass, mostly due to pollution, poor water clarity, and warming water temperatures. So today, we're at Save the Sound. Their mission?
Save the eelgrass. That's literally it. We want to save as much of this important habitat as we can.
In their method, it's actually kind of brilliant. They're teaming up with clams. Save the Sound gathers a team of volunteers who carefully glue eelgrass seeds to the clam shells. They load them onto a boat and evenly distribute them into the water. Once the clams reach the bottom, they do what clams do naturally, burrow into the seafloor, essentially planting the eelgrass for them. It's simple, it's clever, and it's helping eelgrass return to places it once thrived.
So the goal of restoring eelgrass to Long Island Sound is to bring back the productivity that we used to experience here. It's an extremely important habitat, and we hope this is just the start of bringing it back to what it once was.